supposed to show you because we are in Poland, and unfortunately we do not have as I mentioned basically in the introduction, we don't have a very good inspiring use cases in Poland. If we are talking generally in SDI about the national data, then we probably would find plenty of them. But regarding inspired data that are provided by us by NMCA, we didn't have many use cases. So that's why we decided to give you a short overview about the event that we had in Poland. It's quite old because this event took place in 2016, but I think it's still relevant, so the outcomes are still relevant. Okay. Yes, this is the agenda of my presentation. I will briefly go through short slides, one slide about our organization, about ELF project, and then I will focus more on this event. So, as I said in the beginning, I'm representing Head Office of Geodesy and Cartography, which is a Polish NMCA. We are strongly related to INSPIRE activities in Poland because we are basically responsible for INSPIRE coordination, and we are also directly responsible for harmonization of data sets for 15 INSPIRE thematic categories, INSPIRE teams. When ELF project started, it was more or less obvious for us that we would join in because we already had some experience with INSPIRE, we already had some services established. We see this project as basically some kind of a proof of concept for INSPIRE. So this project basically, the goal of the project, at least from our perspective, was to prove that INSPIRE is really working and can be implemented, and the services can be established and so on, and we can exchange data at least between our NMCAs and EuroGeographics. If you want to more know about the project, then you probably should visit the website. It's still operational. There are plenty of information and deliverables available over there. And so what's important for this presentation is that within the project, some organizational units were created called clusters, and there were I think 3 of such clusters, and one of the clusters was the cluster of our organization and our Czech colleagues. So it is important for the purpose of my presentation that we had quite a good cooperation with our Czech colleagues. So then, when the project was about to finish, we organized the event. There were 2 main goals of the event. First goal was to provide information about the project, and the other goal was to allow people actually to use the data, use the services, use the applications that were developed during the project. And so we did it. This event was a part of the broader event. It's basically this conference. It was INSPIRE conference that we held annually in Krakow. I think there is always a few hundred people attending. So I think this is the biggest national INSPIRE event in Poland. And it was held in 2016, as I said. We thought that showing the outcomes of the project would be interesting to the participants of this conference, and we proposed to organize this event over there, and the organizers agreed. So this event had 2 parts. First part was more informative part. It was organized during the plenary session. There were 5 presentations. One of my Corey, Bart, Laila, Alsen. I had one presentation, and also our project manager from the Polish side. These were mainly presentations about the ELF outcome, ELF ideas behind ELF, and some ideas, tools developed about some tools that were developed during the project. This was this informative part, and then we had this more workshop part. This part was organized for less people, because we have to like provide all these computers, everything, so that people can use the data and application. And this part was further divided into two stages, two parts again. One was dedicated to showing the ELF applications, and the second one was dedicated to let the users use actually the inspired data. And I think the last part was the most interesting, and I focus on it on 2 or 3 next slides. So I will focus on this ELF data. And in order to allow people to use the data, we developed like fictional scenario for them. We created also the script, so the users could follow and create some use cases, create some GIS analysis. So this was the goal. The goal was to provide a map with an optimal route for a truck transporting hazardous materials from the Polish Racibórz to Czech Ostrava. So this was like cross-border use case. And of course, when you take a look at it, then you might say that's easy. You can, for example, do this in Google. You can like draw the map from point A to point B. But there was a catch. There was additional requirement saying that the planned route must avoid as much possible BWS. So with this additional requirement, it's difficult to do it with Google Maps. And yeah, the area of interest is shown over here. Like I said, it's the area of interest on the Polish-Czech boundary. The workshop attendees were using mainly QGIS software, but there is also some other software like, I don't know, internet browser, something like this. There were 3 data sets that was used for the purposes of this analysis. We wanted to have it to be challenging, so that's why we, for example, included transport network routes. As some of you already said, that is one of the, maybe not one of the, but the most difficult Inspire team, the most complex data model. Then buildings and administrative units, and the data was downloaded from the like standard Polish and Czech WFS and Atom services that were ready at the time. And yes, because we had like I said, we have like very good cooperation with the Czech colleagues. They provided us like the data. They said they provided us credentials because at the time the data was protected. And they said that we can use this data for the purpose of this workshop. And what more, we had like, despite the data was using the same data model because it was like inspired data model, but still there were some differences, and they helped us a lot actually explaining all those differences, and so we could relatively quickly create a script for the users. And what's important, I think that should be mentioned here, that downloaded data was not in any way upgraded. So we basically used the data as it was available through the download services. We haven't changed anything. In case, for example, the data was not edge matched, but still the quality of data was good enough to perform such analysis. Yeah, this is the outcome of this is the screenshot taken from one of the computers of people who are attending the webinar. This red line basically shows the route that was like created as a result of the analysis. What's tracking on this, I don't know, it cannot be named map, but on this picture is that you don't really see the boundary between Poland and the Czech Republic. That's why I just put it very roughly. So more or less here is the boundary located, and in the north we have Poland, in the south we have Czech Republic. So it was possible to perform such kind of analysis at that time, so I expect it's possible to do it again these days. And okay, so on the workshop there were, like I said, the number of seats was limited. There were 45 attendees. And there were more applications, but unfortunately we had to limit the number of users. And like 38% of the people came from the business and public administration, and 24% came from science and education sector. There were some surprises among the attendees. So I think I mentioned some of them. There were people from PKP, that's the Polish Railways company, from PGNiG, is the biggest energy supplier in Poland, one of the biggest companies who's working in an energy market. There was Ministry of Foreign Affairs. It was for us very surprising because although the Inspire is something international, they are not involved actually in Inspire, or haven't been involved in the Inspire so far. State Forest Administration, and what was also, I think, good, but at the time it was surprising that there were several IT companies that are providing some GIS solutions, mainly as a part of some broader, wider scope solution for public administration or for another private companies. Okay, yes. And short summary, this workshop basically showed there is some interest in Inspire in Poland. Yet the interest from the target user could be bigger, because even the companies I mentioned, these were like intermediate companies, so they wanted our data to add some value and provide some like final solutions, final software for their end clients. There were not many end users actually on the workshop. I have to once again say that we have very good Polish-Czech cooperation during the preparation for this workshop. The event was rather good, rather well received, but especially this workshop part was received basically very positive feedback. And what was surprising was the fact that people really appreciated that they can work with the Inspire data, because so far most of them didn't have any opportunity to work with the Inspire data. So they, of course, attending conference, they heard a lot about it, but they haven't seen so far the Inspire data. So for them it was very, very, very positive experience. Okay, and that's all from my side.